Good morning from Czech Republic. It's 5:45 in the morning. Oh no. Baka mahirapan si Chapit Boy nito Kasi ngayon ihatid ko si Hana sa work. Kasi gagamitin kong kotse. May doctor's appointment si Sofia ngayong araw, alas 9 ng umaga. Kaya akong gagamit ng kotse. Tingnan nyo. Grabe. At hindi pa ako pwedeng magpala ngayon kasi tulog pa yung mga tao. Pero sobrang delikado yung daan. At ang aking gagawin muna, lilinisin ko muna itong sasakyan para pag ready to go magamit ka agad. Okay.
This is Japhet's first time driving on the snow. How do you feel?
I can feel that it's really
slippery.
Not slippery, like rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. But
dangerous.
Dangerous, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, driver ako ngayon araw na to kasi nga si Sofia may doctor's appointment. Then kailangan ko ng sasakyan. So ihatid ko muna si Hana sa work. And then balik ko sa bahay. Tapos dalhin si Sofia sa kanyang doktor para maresitahan ng antibiotic kung kailangan. Because, yeah, so kung kailangan mag antibiotic sa Sofia. It's really nice, right? Because England this time around, kahit mag-snow, it's wet.
Yeah.
So pag
I believe that the main road will be wet because they use the salt, but you know, side roads, village roads are yeah, well, a little bit. Yeah.
drive slowly. Like this, it's wet.
Yeah. It's wet snow.
Is it not dangerous? It's more, this one is more slippery, right?
Yeah.
Darling?
Yeah, it
Yeah?
is. Yeah.
Oh no, so I need to really drive carefully, yeah?
Yeah.
Like slow motion.
Yeah, like a beginner.
Oh no, here, it's okay, oh.
Yeah, well, see.
But it's beautiful. Look at the snow. Wow.
Enjoy because afternoon it will melt.
Afternoon?
I think.
Oh. Beautiful river of Pava.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not frozen.
No, because
Still flowing.
okay, now to the left.
Left.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Slowly.
Because it's
This is where you work, darling?
yeah.
It was so far here. Here it's so
Closer?
closer.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if that is open. Okay. Oh, the lights just switch off.
Okay, this is where Hannah works.
Yeah.
Okay. Tinkay, what can you say about my new hair? Huh?
It looks very old-fashioned.
Yeah? Why do you say that?
It looks like something from the 1950s.
Yeah? 1950?
Yeah.
Or earlier than 1950?
1950, 1960.
No, maybe 18th century. No?
Yeah, probably.
Oh.
It looks like... No, but...
I will show you.
Like for white people, it looks good, but I don't know.
I will show you how it looks like.
All the time, because you're Filipino, it looks weird on you.
I will show you how I look like. I think I have someone that I look like.
Like you.
I will show you. Nah.
Wait,
Yeah?
wait, is he Asian?
Yeah, Yeah, that's our national hero.
You have the same hairstyle as him.
Yeah? Oh,
Oh, now you lost the picture.
I lost a picture?
No, but you do look like him now. Just remove your glasses and...
Okay, remove my glasses. Same?
Yeah.
Yeah? Same?
Yeah. Yeah. Same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What can you say? So that's gonna be my new haircut?
No. No.
No? Why not?
No, it's very flat.
Why? No, a lot of people asking me, what's this? What do you think is this,
I
Pinkai?
think it's I don't know, it's your bun.
It's a lump? No, it was like since 2 years ago. I never checked this one, but if I have chance, then I'm going to check this.
What is it though?
It's a lump.
It's not very noticeable for me though.
No?
No.
Yeah. So,
I thought it was like a vein, a big vein.
yeah. So that's gonna be my new haircut, yeah?
No.
New hairstyle?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Why? I might not look like cute or something?
No, you look older. Like you went from looking to I don't know 40 to looking to
Yeah?
50.
Sophia's hair is like sometimes it's black, sometimes it's brown, sometimes it's a bit blonde.
My
Now,
hair is definitely never blonde.
so what's the color of your hair now?
It's brown.
Sometimes it's, but your hair, that is natural, curly, wavy.
Yeah.
Nagmana sa akin sa buhok. Sa
This
akin
is-
naman
This is what happens if you have a curly hair tatay and a straight hair mommy. So like straight and curly hair equals wavy hair, like this.
yeah.
Like my cousin, she also has half curly, half straight. So
Anyway, kagagaling lang namin sa kanyang doktor at ang daming niresitang gamot. Ito, ang bagong gamot ni Sophia para drop sa kanyang ilong, Ventolin inhaler, siguro makakatulong yun sa kanyang ubo, antibiotic, at saka complete flora para dito sa guts.
yeah, just ignore how messy my desk is.
Anyway, yeah, kauwi lang namin. Karating lang namin. At driver nga ako ngayong araw na to. Pero buti na lang at kahit na nag-snow, makapal talaga yung snow. Ngayon medyo sumisikat ang araw. Lumabas yung araw kaya medyo okay. Good morning from Czech Republic. Talagang bumuhos na naman ang snow dito sa Czech Republic. Yon, namumuti ang buong village ng snow. Yan. Ganda dito, di ba? Talagang ma-enjoy mo rito sa attic, dito sa bahay ni Hana. Kasi pag dito ka sa attic, sobrang taas, kaya makikita mo yung paligid ng village. Yan. Tingnan natin doon sa kabila. Dito sa kabila, ito yung makikita nyo. Talagang medyo mahangin lang pag inopen mo yung window dito sa kabila. Kitang-kita mo naman yung ganda ng tanawin. Kahit yung field, punong-puno ng snow. Sara na natin kasi malamig. Yan. At syempre, ang aming dalaginding nakitulog dito. Nakitulog sa amin. Then, kasi she wants to be cared.
Yeah,
And
carried down.
Carried up and carried down. Our lovely Pinkay.
That's why I'm sleeping here.
Yeah. Okay muna. Time for you to have breakfast and take your meds. Okay? Come on.
I don't like taking my meds.
So, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng ito ang papalahin ko pala. Itong aming harapan. Papalahin ko itong harapan namin para okay ang dating. Kasi yung ito yan, kailangan makala to. Kaya mo yung neighbors namin nagpapala din. Palahin ko muna to. Magpapala ko ng aming garage way para yun, hindi na sila problema. Ganda itong sapatos na nabili ko, yung waterproof na sapatos nabili ko. Ito hindi tinatablan sa loob. Galing, ang galing. Yan. Yun. Din lagay. Yun. So, paano? Tapos na. Milan. You gonna move the car? Yes. Yeah, okay. That's Milan. He will move his car. I'm gonna move Hannah's car as well because we are going out. Umaraw. Ganda ng panahon, umaraw, at saka makita mo yung kalsada, may snow. Ganda ng paligid, parang sa fairy tale ka, lalo na yung makita mo yung field empty pero puti. So yun, so lalabas kami ni Hana kasi mag-grocery daw si Madam. So lalabas muna ni Milan yung kanyang kotse at sa ako aatras. So, kagagaling nga lang namin ni Hana nag-grocery ng karne, ng tinapay, ng aming konsumo for, I think this is for 2 weeks. So, ang naggasta ni Sofia is 95 pounds. So, 95 pounds.
Wow, that's a lot for 95 pounds.
Ay, hindi ko lang alam kung magkano sa piso ngayon ang pounds. I think 1 pound is 73 pesos. So, kayo na magkwenta. So, yan lahat ang aming gasta ito. Wala pa. Papapasok pa ito ni Hana sa fridge.
Guys, our fridge has been empty for days.
So, this is our first groceries since New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Sofia was able to walk from her room to here
Without crutches.
without crutches.
And I was super fast.
Super fast. Recovery, thank God. Yeah, thank God that God answered our prayers. Look at her.
Yeah.
Yan.
So for this one in the personal one, I was.
But I can't stand for a long
So,
time.
namili kami ng chicken wings. What else? Ribs, chicken breast,
Chicken ribs.
pork ribs. Yeah.
Kopi.
Yeah.
Ramen.
Okay.
Sweets. Yeah. No.
At ang aming lunch,
I'm a little too sweet today, so.
smoked pork and gulay, veg. Ito yung carbs nila ngayon. Potato. Tapos maggulay ako. Sinamakan. Para habang sinasawsaw ko rito yung pork. Okay. My dessert. Cookies.
You have
Yan.
cookies. Oh.
Small cookies. Ito pa. Yan. Darren, do you want me to take this one there?
Huh?
This
I
one?
will sort it. Just we're gonna eat first, and then I will sort.
Okay. Let's eat first because it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock already. Hindi pa kami nag-ana ng halian. Kahit ako hindi pa ako nag-almusal. Ito yung aking almusal at ito yung aking breakfast. Yung pananghalian ko ng 1 o'clock. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Kapal ng snow. Eating time, lunch time. So ito yung aming lunch. Smoked pork. Okay. Yan. Paborito daw to ni Sofia.
Yeah, don't eat this one. Yeah? This one on the.
Why?
Oh, I have two.
No, it's one. This one. It's a rubber band.
Okay, what's it? Coco Nutella. It's not Nutella, this is coco spread. Oh no, that's, what's that?
It was wrapped in.
Okay. Yeah, so kain mo tayo. Bago mag-relax, bago kasi Saturday ngayon. So, talagang tapos na makapaglinis. Kaya nag-grocery na rin kami. Tapos na rin. Oh, what's that? Oh, lucky you didn't break it.
Wow.
So yan, at manangalian muna kami. At pagkatapos ito, relax. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng mamasyal kasi kung paano sa Sofia, hindi pa siya makalakad. Kung kami lang dalawa ni Hana, hindi naman maganda. At snow din, makapal yung snow. At medyo hindi safe mag-drive. Kaya dito lang muna sa bahay, okay lang naman. So, January, at next month, baka pag makaluwag-luwag ng time, makapasyal sa ibang lugar. Okay, that's all for today. And yeah, see you next time.